have 20 Amazon products to help you have the most clutter-free and clean home that you could imagine. After seeing several of these products, you're gonna be saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, where has this been my entire life? Such as this Shadazzle. What a clever name. Now, I've tried almost everything when it comes to cleaning your grout, but I wanted to put the Shadazzle to the test. And can I just say, this smells so nice. Lemony, take a whiff. I know. Fresh scent. I love it. And then I also tried it on my stainless steel sink. It says that this can be used on stainless steel, silver, copper, comb, grass, aluminum wheels, jewelries, granite, marble, tile, shower doors, and so much more. I mean, this is basically like the pink stuff on steroids, maybe? Millions of views on Instagram for this particular product, but does it actually do what it says it's supposed to do? And if you go onto Amazon, over 9,000 of these have been purchased within the past month. No chemicals, no bleach, no phosphate, no preservative. I like that. I tried this on my grout and I was a little bit skeptical at first, but then once I cleaned everything up and wiped everything out, I was like, oh my word, that grout is white, 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 white. As you can see here, my grout looks so much whiter here in our mudroom area. You can see over here, I did not do anything. You can see the difference. Didn't do it. And I did it. So it does work nicely. I think the trick behind it, making it look so white, is it does have sort of this white tint to it, which makes it look so white and bright, but it definitely does what it says it's supposed to, Shadazzle. Then I put the Shadazzle to the test on my stainless steel sink. Nervous, skeptical, because I've tried so many products when it comes to stainless steel, and I have to say this worked awesome. Usually on my stainless steel sink, I have hard water spots and buildup that tends to accumulate within about 2 to 3 days. I have to clean it all up, shine it all up again, and this made it last even longer, so probably about 4 days. Number 2, these mini clear bags. I first saw this trick on Instagram by putting your swimsuits in them. And I thought, no way is my swimsuit actually gonna fit in these little bags. And my friend, they did. In fact, you can buy different sizes when it comes to these bags, so have no fear, my friend. I love how nice and organized my swimsuits are. I can easily grab what I need. I don't have to be searching through a bin or a drawer to find the missing pieces of this bottom and that top, and everything is just nice and organized together. I can pull out what I need, and I can put it back when I need to. This is also an excellent idea when it comes to travel. That way your bathing suits and any sort of smaller items are gonna stay together nice and neat. And so many of these come in a pack. In fact, I have several of them still trying to figure out what I wanna do with them, but the possibilities are endless. You could use them for cards, puzzle pieces, makeup, crafting items. Now I'm getting excited. Your drawers are gonna be happier than ever after this one. These Honeycomb drawer organizers, a ton, come in a pack. I mean, this is only part of it. The other part is in my daughter's dresser, but you can organize your socks really easily, your panties, your undergarments, basically anything you wanna put in a drawer to have it nice and organized. All you do is just snap these together in your drawer and you can configure them any way that you want them. You can make them longer, you can make them shorter, and they're totally adjustable, and then you just pull them apart if you wanna do things in a different arrangement or style. Right now on Amazon, these are just under $10 for all of this to make your drawers so organized. And when your drawers are organized, it saves you so much time having to dig and find things that you might need in them. And they're just so organized, it's like your drawers are saying thank you. I've tried a lot of different drawer organizers on this channel, and I have to say, hands down, this is currently my favorite. This electronic holder for your vehicle. If you need to keep kids entertained, maybe you need to keep yourself entertained and you're not doing the driving. It holds a cell phone, it holds a tablet. I was so surprised at how large it can expand, and it totally adjusts, which is so nice depending upon where someone is sitting when they're inside of the vehicle. It's secure, everything is sturdy, everybody's happy. It makes your trip so much faster and so much more enjoyable. And I just checked right now, over 9,000 of these have been purchased within the past month, and for good reason. I love it just as much. What is one of the most cluttered areas in our home? Often it's a mudroom, a closet, but the kitchen. It's because we all congregate there and we spend the most of our time in our kitchen. So when I found this pull-out drawer organizer, I was like, heck to the yes, at an excellent price point. And my friend, it has been in my cabinet for over a month and is still holding strong. It is a good product. It's fully adjustable and customizable. That way you can put things in the back of your cabinets and easily pull out what you need. And it keeps everything nice and contained. There's also a $10 off coupon right now on Amazon. So if this is something that you have been considering, you want a little more kitchen space, more storage space, this is definitely a great solution for you. No more having to pull everything out in the front just to get the items in the back. All you need to do is pull out your drawer and push it nicely back and shut the doors. Love it. This next one, I never knew I would fall in love with cleaning windows as much as I have thanks to this product. I hate cleaning windows. I have a ton of them in this house, which I'm thankful for, but I hate cleaning them. It takes time and it just smears and smudges. It's like a whole to-do. But now with this electric window cleaner, not only is it super effective and cleans your windows better than anything I have tried before, it is fun. And as a bonus, my windows and mirrors are streak free because of it. What's also super satisfying is you can see how much grime you were able to accumulate on your windows. The little reservoir holding tank turned black in my case, and I was like, no way was all of this on my windows. I mean, they looked pretty nice and clear, but then when I cleaned them, I was like, whoa. It's kind of like if you get your wedding ring cleaned, you're like, wow, it is really sparkly. I forgot how shiny it was. Well, that's how you're gonna feel about your windows. This would be an excellent gift idea, and this is awesome to use on your vehicle so that you do not have as many water spots if you had not used something like this. And can I just say, I love this product. Like, I love it. You're probably gonna be seeing it again because it's like gonna be on repeat for me. It's so good. You know when you get something in your house and you truly say to yourself, like, why have I not had this so long ago? I found this item on Instagram and I was like, I totally need that, especially in the wintertime for drying sweaters. Not drying, hang drying, that is. I don't like to put them in the dryer. They're gonna shrink all up. And especially with my daughter's dance uniforms, or maybe you have swimsuits, oftentimes you want to let those just air dry. And I love that this is expandable. You just pull it out, you can get all the square footage that you need to dry your items, and then you can easily collapse it in on itself. I used to have those drying racks that would fold up, but you have to set them up in your living room or your laundry room or the hallway, depending upon where you have space, and like hang everything over. It would take up so much floor footage, but not with this. It's chic, it blends in with your laundry room. Like, I love this. You can also fit quite a few items on this. I kind of want to say this is my favorite item in this whole video, but I just really love everything that I'm showing you here today. So it's hard to pick a favorite. You're gonna have to let me know in that comments box down below after the video what your favorite item was, or something that surprised you. Everyone loves a good Stanley. They're trending and just everybody loves them. However, there's a downfall with Stanleys. If they get knocked over or you tip them the wrong way, they're gonna leak all over the place and then you have a whole mess on your hands. But for just about $7, you can fix all that. Two come in a set. They're super easy to install when it comes to your Stanley. And my friend, you are not gonna have spills again because of these two little pieces that just make the world of difference when it comes to your Stanley. I mean, Stanley should really create these and provide them. And I'm sure their updated versions are a little bit better, but again, Stanleys are not cheap. They're like 35 bucks a pop. I don't wanna just get a whole new Stanley, but thank you to this super helpful Amazon gadget. This is another item I thought to myself, Andrea, like, you should have had these a long time ago. These flat plug power strips. Wow, that is a mouthful. That way you can push your furniture up against the wall if you need to. You don't have these ugly outlets sticking out, taking up space. Like, this just is a hazard. It's a tripping hazard, or kids running back and forth. Like, every outlet in my house should have flat plug power strips. And what's even better about this is you can plug multiple items into this rather than just two plugins, which you would typically get on your outlet. No need to unplug. There's an easy on and off button as well. Like, heck to the yes. Organized, saving time, affordable price, love it. What is something we tend to have a lot of in our homes? Makeup items and jewelry items, particularly if you are a female. And what's something that we often want to put in our bedrooms and our bathrooms? Mirrors, right? Maybe you buy yourself a nice stand-up mirror, but we can just like fix all that with this simple product, this over-the-door jewelry organizer. Now, you certainly could wall mount this if you want to. I love it because it is a full body mirror, all in one on the back of your door. It's also a jewelry and accessory organizer. It has a light on it, even has a key if you wanted to lock it. It's adjustable, it's customizable. You can fit so many pieces in this. I use this for all of my daughter's accessories and jewelry, and I thought I would fill the whole thing because she has so much here, there, everywhere, in a bathroom, in a cabinet, in a drawer. I want it in one spot. And it turned out so beautiful. I'm obsessed with this product. I love this product. This is also an excellent gift idea. So you're saving space, you're saving time because everything is right where it needs to be. And can I just say, it's super chic and gorgeous. Over 3,000 of these jewelry organizers have been bought within the past month. One of my husband's favorite things to collect are hats. And so with that being said, I need a great way to organize them. You can mount this on the wall if you want to. You could put this in a drawer, in a shelf, in a cabinet. But I love that it accesses that vertical space, and you can use it to display your hats really nicely. With this hat organizer, you can fit up to 14 hats on it, and for such affordable price point. So not only is it chic, it's classy, but it's organizing your hats. It makes it easier for you to find them or your loved one. This is definitely a product that I would purchase over and over again. In fact, my husband really enjoys this one too, because he can find what he needs so easily. He's not searching through the cupboards and looking over here for the hat and over here for the hat. Like, everything is right here. You know I love my O-Cedar mop, so I had to give the JOYMOOP a try. You know, I'm skeptical because, you know, I like what I like. But the JOYMOOP is a #1 bestseller. In fact, over 10,000 of these have sold within the past month. So what's the hype all about? Dun da da! I have it right here. Now, what I love this in particular for is cleaning your walls and getting up really high. A lot of dust can accumulate on there. And then if you have pets or there's smokers in your home, like those walls get nasty. So this is wonderful for that. I love that you can wring out your mop. You can change out the pad and easily wash this in your washing machine. The bucket is also super easy to carry. It's convenient. You can store it away really nicely. It accesses that vertical space. Like, this is awesome. You can mop with this as well. You can do a lot of things if you wanted to clean the top of your vehicles. I mean, really, the possibilities are endless. You could use this to clean your bathtub, your shower walls. Heck yes. So which one would I get? The O-Cedar or the JOYMOOP? My friend, both in my opinion, because they both do different things, but they're fabulous. If you don't own one of these, now is the time to get one, a fabric shaver. I've tried a variety of them, but I love this one. It's so powerful. Listen. I know. And then this canister fills up right here with all the lint. So you can use this on your sweaters. I love using it on my couches, on my pillows, on socks that need a little bit freshening up. It can make something that looks kind of dingy and grimy look almost brand new when you're able to eliminate and eat up all those pills. I've actually had this fabric shaver for a couple years now, and it has held up. And you're also gonna have so much fun using this by seeing how much you can suck up. Yeah. I first saw these Trivets on Instagram. I'm like, what the heck is that? That is super cute. I mean, is it a Christmas decoration? I mean, it could be, but it's an all year round. So it looks cute on your cabinet or your countertop or whatever you want to put it in. But it's great. It's not only a coaster, but you can use this for hot pots and pans. You can use it for coffee mugs, cold things. Maybe you just need a setting point for something. I mean, look at this. And then you just slide them back on just like that. I love, love, love this. I mean, this item is viral on Instagram, millions upon millions of views. And I can see why, because I don't know, it just doesn't look like what it should be. And it's definitely a conversation piece in your kitchen. #1 bestseller, my friend. In fact, over 90,000 of this product was sold. And I have to tell you something. At first, I didn't like it. I was like, what the heck? Here's what I did love. It's gel based, so it's not gonna run all over. In fact, I tried this on 2 pieces of grout. I tried it in my shower, and I also tried it in my washing machine where I had some mold starting to build up inside. You wanna catch that mold before it gets bad, especially in washing machines. I let mine sit for about 3 hours, but here's where things turn. The longer you let this product sit and harden up, the better that it's going to work. So when I first removed this product off of all those surfaces that I mentioned, I was kind of like, okay, it did an okay job, but really worth 90,000 sold within this past month. Here's the game changer. The following day, meaning today, I went back and checked all of those spaces, and my friend, everything looked so much cleaner. It looked brighter. The mold was gone in my washing machine. If at first you don't succeed, try again. And if the particular area needs a little bit of scrubbing or brushing, make sure that you do that as well. But I, yes, as well, would highly recommend this product. Cleans, deodorizes, and freshens. It says you can use this in your toilet. I kind of want to try this on a toilet ring. Stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you do. 'Tis the season for soups and goulashes and casseroles, but here's the issue with that. They go in a crock pot, which is amazing. It cooks it so fast, but I have a ton of leftovers because my kids don't usually eat that stuff. But my husband and I love to eat that stuff, but we don't want to eat it for a week straight every single day, lunch and dinner. So these super cubes got you covered. And by the way, the name is awesome. Super cubes. You can fit up to 2 cups in each of the little slots. 2 came in a pack, and then you just freeze it. And what's awesome about this is it's silicone, so you can easily push out your soup or casserole or goulash contents, thaw it out, put it in your microwave or cook it however you want to, and you are good to go. It's fresh, nothing is going to waste. You can have yummy tastiness within minutes. And this is gonna help you eat healthier and stay on track if everything's ready to go and much easier to access, yes? Oh, and I should mention, this is dishwasher safe and oven safe, not the lid, but this particular part right here. And I don't know why you would be putting this in your oven, but you certainly can. Like, the quality on this is awesome. Rug grippers. I've tried my fair share of rug grippers. I have this tape that I really like to use, but here's the problem with it. It is almost impossible to pull up from your floors because it is so good. So I didn't want to have that situation again. This is a viral product on Amazon. In fact, over 10,000 of these bought within this past month. And I was like, is this really that good? And my friend, I love this. I was like, how is that really gonna grip your floor and your rugs and keep the corners down? You know, the corners flip up. It's so annoying. You trip over and the rug's moving all over the place. And this does such an amazing job. Something about the material, the grippiness, and in fact, you can even wash this on your rug and then lay it back down on your floor. For under $15 right now, this is worth every single penny. This is my favorite rug gripper so far that I have tried because one, it's easy to apply, it works, and three, it's not gonna be that big of a pain of a butt when you need to pull it up from your flooring. Oh, and a bonus, it's not gonna damage anything. The mattress vacuum. I was like, do I need to go ahead and buy yet another vacuum? You know, I have quite a few of them. I like to make my life easier and I like to try new things. So I put this one to the test. I love that it vibrates your mattress because a lot of, you know, debris and skin cells and just lint and whatever else falls off our bodies and from the air can accumulate on that mattress even if you have a mattress cover on. I have a mattress cover on and I was so surprised of how much I was able to suck up from my mattress. Gross. But there's little pulses which vibrate the mattress and allows it to suck up even better than a traditional vacuum that would just go over the top, right? If you're going like this and sucking at the same time, it works magic. And it has a UV light. Not only is it great on your mattress, you can use this on your couches. I love it for that, especially our couches are used so frequently. And you could use this on pillows, you can use this on chair. I mean, really anything where you want a good suction, you want to kill a little more bacteria. Yes, this mini electric screwdriver kit all in one right here, saving you space, saving you time because you're not having to hunt for all these things. My husband has a big bag. It's like this, filled with all kinds of things that this one thing can do, fix, and solve for. Like, yeah, like take a big old bag to this thing. I love that this just pops open. You pull this out, look at all these pieces on here. I mean, you have every possible contraption you would need to screw or unscrew something. And then this part right here, this is really nice. Look at, it's even got a little light on it. If you're doing this in the dark, you can go left, you can go right, you can reverse it, you can go forward, and then you just pop it back in here, just like that. And then you put this in here. This would also make for an excellent gift idea. I mean, any man, woman, female, young or old could use this in their life. Yes! Oh, and I just checked, over 40,000 of these have sold within the past month. Yes, I would definitely repurchase this over and over again. And last but not least, number 20, this might be my favorite. I don't know. Electronics. You probably have a ton of them in your house. We have 4 kids. We have different iPads and we have cell phones and we have Apple Watches and just all the things. And at the end of the day, they're like strung out around the house, charging them up in a corner, in a here, in a there, and everyone's, it's just like a thing. But what if I had one station for everything that is nice and organized? People turn them in at the end of the day and the next day that they are all charged up. Not only does it save space, everything is more organized. You can find things faster. Kids know where to put them. You can even charge your AirPods on these. Really, any electronic device that you want to charge is all right here. And it just looks so chic and organized. I love it. You've taken a chaotic mess and you've just put it all together in like this beautiful package. Normally I don't like a lot of stuff on my countertops. I like a nice clean space, but this is definitely exception because we use it every single day. It just, yes, you can hide the cords, like the list goes on and on. If you're wondering about any of the items in this video, they'll all be linked in the description box below and pinned in that comments section. And if you're watching from your TV or your iPad, you can just go ahead and scan this QR code on screen. It will take you to everything in this video. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do, especially on Instagram stories, because when any of these items are in limited time deals, there's coupons available or sneak peeks, upcoming giveaways. That's where I'll be posting things first. Let me know your favorite item in that comments box below. And we have got to keep the fun going. Click this video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.